The manager of a bakery determines if an average of 112 loaves of cheese bread are sold each week. For every 2 loaves of cheese bread that are sold, about 3 loaves of whole wheat bread are sold. How many loaves of whole wheat bread are sold each week? So, the manager of a bakery figured out that 112 loaves of cheese bread is being sold at his bakery. According to this specific ratio, 2 loaves for every 3 loaves of whole wheat bread are sold. Okay? Then we have our main question we're trying to answer about how many loaves of whole wheat bread are sold each week. Let's go ahead and draw a picture so we can visualize it. We have the whole bar graph, which represents all bread being sold at this bakery. Okay, now in this specific ratio, just like our last example, it is comparing 2 parts. So a part to a part. The part of cheese bread and the part of wheat bread. There is no total in this example. So 2 loaves of cheese bread. 1 on the left and 1 on the right. And then we have 3 loaves of wheat bread. So this is our wheat bread. Oh, yeah, great spelling, Miss Hawkins. 3 loaves of wheat bread. And we have our cheese bread. Our ratio that we know is yeah, that's right. 2 cheese breads to 3 wheat breads. And at this specific bakery, we are looking at 112 loaves of cheese bread. We're going to use that to make a prediction for the wheat. So 112 loaves of cheese. So we're changing this into 112. How many 2's are there in 112? We're dividing that 112 into 2 equal parts to represent our cheese bread. You can do that by long division. 112 divided by 2. You could count by 2's until you get to 112, but that would take a long time. 2 doesn't go into 1. 2 goes into 10 5 times. 5 times 2 is 10. You get 1 left over. Bring down my 2. 2 goes into 12 6 times. So that means each one of these loaves of bread bars represent 56. And if that's the case for one side of a ratio, it's going to be the case all the way across. So each one of these bars represents 56. I can then count by 56s for 3 different times, add them together, or multiply it by 3. 3 times 6 is 18. 5 times 3 is 15. 16. 168 loaves of wheat bread. Again, taking that time to label, so we're making meaning of our math.